chickens at the neighbor's house next to the VFW here.
Chicken.
Look at this guy.
Chicken.
Look at them, they're getting fat. Last time we were here, they weren't that big. Hey.
It's not a dog.
It's an animal.
They don't raise wild like that.
There's a duck over there too. Remember, he was eating the chicken feed.
White chicken.
Look at that. Let's see if we can get it up here.
Now, what's the difference between the brown chickens and the white chickens? Why is one brown and one's... Are these seasoned chickens? Is that why? I get it, seasoned chickens.
Oh, here he comes.
Who? No, that's what I leave.
Lily must have fed him already. Is that what he's doing?
No.
All right, leave right there. We're leaving. Look at that thing.
No. No, I'm not petting that thing.
Oh, there he goes. Look at the chickens right next door. Yeah, he wants something to eat. I don't have anything for you.
Here, just give him some leaf.
They don't eat leaves. They eat seeds. Oh, he's coming now. He thinks you got something for him.
I wish we had corn for him to come.
Yeah, you see the top of the head. Well, it's still a chicken.
Because roosters are...
To me, a rooster's a chicken, a chicken's a rooster. They taste the same to me.
Even if you cook a rooster, it'll be the same.
Well, they got a big fat black one that runs around.
Yeah, I think
That's very cool.
No, maybe that was a duck. I know he's got a...
Look at these guys.
Oh, look at the light. It's green. It's got like these green flakes.
Hey, chicken.
on. Do you
Hi.
see it?
Oh, that must be the little boy's name. Hey, chicken. God, at least so fat. Goodness.
Yeah.
There's the white one over there, if you guys can kind of see it. This is pretty cool. This is the next door. They got a nice little piece of land here. I used to know the people that owned this house a long time ago, but now it's been new owners for years. There's a duck over here too that scratches with the chickens and everything looking. Oh, look, here he is right here. Ooh. Ah, chick, 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 chick.
There's another black one over here.
Yeah, look at these guys. Oh, look at you. Look at you, Brown. Look at all those chickens. Yeah, you got them in your backyard. You might have to have a permit or something though to do it. Yeah, but somebody right around the corner from us has some because they threw out all the old cages. Look at them all. So many of them. Look at this white. I like this white one over
They
here.
had them back there.
Yeah,
They always had them.
there's a duck over here that scratches with the chickens, and he acts like he's a chicken.
But Grandma, remember?
I don't know where. We just saw him a little bit ago.
But Grandma,
Aren't the ones with the things? No, they're all.
Yeah, these are all roosters. Every one of them's a rooster.
but Grandma, remember a long time ago when we went to the playground, there were always chickens back there?
Yeah.
That's why they're
Wow, he is
Yeah.
big.
Daddy saw them.
We always saw them every time.
Man, I'm gonna have to call the colonel.
Call the colonel. You hear your dad.
Look at that big. Look at that big light brown one over there. Look at that.
All right, come on.
Look at them all.
Where's your bag?
They're awesome.
Where's her bag?
Man, those are some fat roosters.